Weather is current conditions that deal with temperature, precipitation like rainfall or snowfall, cloud cover, and humidity. Climate looks at a long term description of weather. Usually, it looks at averages, and usually, these averages and variations or fluctuations occur over decades. But climate is long term. Greenhouse effect is basically gases in the atmosphere reflecting sunlight back down to the earth and causing the earth to heat. We will talk about the four main greenhouse gases. Climate, which once again is long term, looks at the geographic distribution of organisms simply because the conditions involved allows organisms to make a decision on where to live. And so this is very important in the distribution of organisms. Because of climate, you have seasonality, and this determines whether organisms stay or migrate to different areas where they feed or they mate or find a mate. Ecology looks at the living or biotic factors as well as the abiotic factors, so the non living factors. And that's where climate comes in. Remember, climate is long term. Because we talk about autotrophs, specifically plants which use photosynthesis to make their own food, photosynthesis depends on sunlight. The sun is the ultimate source of energy. And so, because of the uneven heating of the sun on the Earth's atmosphere and land and water mass, you have variation in weather as well as climate. And so, because of the uneven surface of the Earth, the sunlight is received on the Earth's surface at different intensities. So, the latent heat flux, also the surface, Earth's surface, loses heat at different variations and intensity as well. Heat loss due to evaporation, latent heat flux.